On this week's edition of Uncommon, we got a Casablanca Four Seasons, and I'm probably going to get a lot of comments saying,
"This isn't a Four Seasons, it's a Casablanca Delta."
Well, I know they made Casablanca Delta ceiling fans in the earlier days. They were only made, it's either 1984 or 1983. They only made them for 1 year. And yeah, this is not a Delta.
And you're going to be like, "Oh, I never saw a Four Seasons with 3 speeds before, baby."
Well, here's the thing. I got this at Fanimation from the Russian Fazbear, also known as Spencer Russian. I got this at the group trip for about $35. And this Four Seasons used to be in Teletouch. You could probably see. But he converted it to 3-speed, as you can see. It didn't come with a center pull chain because he didn't drill a hole, so I just popped this one through the center. This glass is from my Casablanca Victorian, and it came with no mounting, so I'm using a white LCA from my Lady Delta. So, yeah, it looks really good overall. I don't know if I could reverse this fan or not, because I don't see a reverse switch on it at all, but yeah, this has to be one of my favorite fans, and when he said that this was like a 3-speed Four Seasons and all, I didn't know what it was going to be, but yeah. Even though it looks exactly like a Delta, I just call it a Delta because it just looks exactly like one. So anyways, here's the light. I'll just center the camera a little bit. There you go. And yeah, I know I'm using LEDs. The original board was fried, so he just converted it to 3-speed pull chain, which I thought was pretty creative, if you ask me. Here is low speed. It's pretty cool how this fan is a 3-speed pull chain, if you ask me. I like it better than, like the Slow McQuay, or, it's just pretty unique. Has a nice slow low, like that stick low. Pretty nice if you ask me. But it does speed up, as you probably can tell. But yeah, I am using a antique white K4S. Came with the fan. But yeah, I guess we'll do medium now. This probably has to be one of my favorite fans in this display. I never saw an antique white Four Seasons that was in Teletouch, because this was in Teletouch, but it got converted because dead board. At a later on, I may take it down to see how Spencer wired it, because I'm kind of tempted to do this with a fan that has a dead board if I ever have one, So, yeah. This is a 50-inch fan, and I want to give you a little backstory behind these. So, these started coming out between the 1980s, and the first gens were Slumber Quiet. And then, obviously, they had these in Slumber 5, which is either the low ceiling series, it's a Four Seasons, but that comes with a LCA, but this isn't a low ceiling series, I just put the LCA on, but yeah. They also came in Teletouch, as you know, having in Teletouch Four Seasons. Anyways, here's high. This thing whips on high. It goes pretty fast if you ask me. Really good air mover. Flywheel is a little a little bent, It is jutted out a little bit. I'm just so happy I have this fan up. It's really nice. Goes pretty fast too. Four's line there. And when I got this fan from Fanimation, in my long haul video, a lot of people were fooled because they thought it was a Casablanca Delta, so it looks exactly like one. Nice breeze. perfect for at the beach. But obviously this is going to stay in the display, or I'll move it up at my grandma's house, so yeah. Anyways, here's the light. I know someone's trying to yell at me to not use LEDs and castles, but here's the thing. This is pull chain castles, they're not, intelligent. Alright, spin down time. I don't know how long the spin down is. I kind of forgot how long it was. I never made a video of this fan. Since this fan is 3-speed, it's kind of like a cool fan, you know? Because like, when I had to hardwire the, because this fan, like the light was hardwired, so I had to put the chain had to pop through the center so I could control the light separately. And when I opened that, there was like 2 capacitors, and they're pretty big ones. Probably so this fan could, actually turn, because if you put like a 2 little capacitor in, it's gonna stall out, That's all you need. This ceiling fan is from 1986. This would have had an RMM1, or if it got converted to RMM2 with flick. So that's that. It's a really cool piece, if you ask me. And when Spencer told me this was like a 3-speed 4 seasons, I didn't know if this was gonna be like 3-speed remote. I had no idea it was 3-speed pull chain. I wasn't expecting it, since I never saw converted 4 seasons with a 3-speed chain in it. But they did make 3-speed 4 seasons from the factory. But if you find one of those, you got a rare gem. They're extremely rare. But yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all later. Goodbye.